Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, tonight we are going to show you how to select your packages, how to customize them, and also how to favorite preferred packages and compare the packages, inshallah. Yesterday we talked about the eWallet, how to activate it. Please check that in our link in the description. So the packages are, alhamdulillah, announced today, and you can filter the packages here based on different filtration categories, stars, the categories, basically proximity to Haram Sharif, Mina camps, service providers, how long you're supposed to stay in Mecca Mukarramah, total Hajj days, and also the price. Based on these criteria, you can filter the package. But to find our packages, you simply type here HSR, which indicates Hisar. And for now you can see all the packages are available in the Nusuk website. We'll inshallah upload more packages. Our platinum packages are not here, so only silver, short, gold, and comfort packages are listed here. So basically, when we overlook at the packages, there are two main things that we need to consider, which the packages that have group flights and the packages that does not have group flights. For example, this Hisar Gold luxury packages have group flights from these countries like United States, from Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. But the same package here, Hisar Gold Global, does not have any group flights. So you have to buy your own customized individual flights at the end of the package selection. Inshallah, we're going to cover it later on. So for now, those packages does not have a group flight is going to called public packages, and the packages that does have group flights are going to called custom packages. And there's a question mark here. It says this package is customized for your country, which means this packages does have group flights in it from United States. So we explained this in our previous webinars that we were going to have flights from New York, Washington, Boston, Los Angeles, inshallah. So this is the package. Let's look at the package inside, what is included, what is excluded. So this is the general view of the package. Package is going to start from the 1st of Zilhijjah and is going to end of 15th of Zilhijjah, total 14 days. 11 nights in Mecca Mukarramah, which includes the Mina stays, 5 nights, and 3 nights in Medina Munawwara. The Mecca Mukarramah will be the Sheraton Mecca, and Medina Munawwara will be the View Al Medina. This is 5-star hotel in Zone A, in a very close to Haram Sharif, in walking distance. Since many hotels in Medina Munawwara in walking distance, they do not put any kind of zoning label, because the zoning is only for Mecca Mukarramah hotels. And the camp here will be the the Ma'asim camp, inshallah. So this is important, what packages are included. These are the essential items in the package: visa, Mecca Mukarramah hotels, Medina Munawwara hotels, the flights, the foods, breakfast and dinner, transportation in between cities from airport to the cities too. All the guidance are also the essential part of the package. There are other things that are listed here in the packages, which you can check them. Medina Munawwara tour is, we call it ziyarat, is included in this package. The problem of the short package is that we have only short amount of package, say time in Mecca Mukarramah. So we don't have extra days to put Mecca tour, since this tour is going to be also in Mina, Muzdalifah, and Arafah, which Hajj is taking place in there. So this package does not have a Mecca tour in it. Since you're going to perform the actual Hajj in there, it doesn't have a Mecca tour before the Hajj. So in Medina Munawwara, it's going to be a Medina Munawwara tour in it. The wheelchair is available. We're going to inshallah provide you Tawaf headphones, which is checked here as a smart device applications. And before the Hajj, there will be training courses, etc. And here is the cancellation and refund policy. I advise you to check how is it going to be. And when you go all the way down, you will be able to see there is an icon here. It says configure the package. So when you click on this, you are going to be directed to room selection option. If you, for example, want to go with your family of two, you and your husband, for example, you supposed to stay in, you want to stay in double room, you're gonna click in double room option. If you're two, you're gonna if you're two person in the account, system is going to allow you to choose two beds in Mekke Mükerreme Hotel, Sheraton, and Medine Munawwara Hotel in Viv Al Medina. So if you would like to buy triple room, you're gonna click on this, and quad room same way, you're gonna click on this one, and after that you will be asked the additional services. So there's not much additional services here, only the wheelchair, since our packages are mostly all inclusive. So next step is the flights. This is going to be the group flights, because this package includes the group flights in it. We have flights from New York, Washington, Los Angeles, Boston, and another New York flight here. And the prices are written down on the package: 10,000, almost 10,000 Real, around 10,000 Real. This is Los Angeles, expected to be a little higher. So the prices are, the flight prices are fixed and cannot be changed and customized. These are group flights. You can see the details of the flights right here, Qatar Airways. All the flights, by the way, will be with the Qatar Airways. You will see the flight number here, the routes and everything you can check. And when you click on the flight, okay, I'm good with this flight, then you will be going to the next, inshallah. Transportation options are included, since this is going to be group flights. Those are all included in the package. There might be an option for this transportation for the individual flights in the next session. Inshallah, we're going to cover up that, which type of transportation you would like to choose when you are arriving Saudi Arabia by yourself. You want to go for car or train, this and that, you'll be have an option to choose in that that field. But for now, all the things are included in the group package. So we're going to click next. So here's the summary of your details. Here is the total amount of the package is going to cost you. The package amount is 29,000 Riyal and the flights are going to be 10,000 Riyal, and total is going to be around 44,000 Riyal. And in your eWallet right now, we have 1 Riyal. So at least this is supposed to be more than 45,000 Riyal to be able to purchase the package. So since it is lower than this amount, it is indicated like it is red here. So this is the general configuration of your package. What is your preferences? What did you choose? Your flights and your what the packages included in the service, etc. So this is the general configuration. Once you click save configuration, it is going to be saved in your cart right here. So basically, when you want to go directly to your saved configuration, you are going to click on this, and again you'll go and to the end of this this screen, the checkout screen. So on the February 9th, when the packages are open for sale, this is important. You are going to you have to configure your package, and you gotta deposit your eWallet here. And once the packages are announced open for sale, only thing you gotta do is when you enter the dashboard, you're gonna click on this, configure the package. Instead of writing here save configuration, it is going to be written here checkout. So once you click on checkout, the screen is going to say you confirm the checkout, yes, then you will be able to buy the package within the seconds. So this is how it is going to be when the system is available for sales, inshallah. So let's check the package comparison. So for example, we have a couple packages that we offer, and here are the one silver short package and gold package. So what are the difference? They're only like about 3,500 Riyal is the difference here. So what makes this difference? If you want to compare what are the key differences of these two packages, you simply choose this. Even for this package, If you want to edit, you can edit, and you can here, as you see, compare 4 different packages at a time. So these 2 packages are at the same price, but why it is different? Let's compare them and see what is the main difference in the packages. The names are written here, the service providers, and the prices are written here. This is premium, luxury, and luxury. So this is 12 days, but the prices are the same. So these are the comparison you can make by yourself, inshallah. And lastly, when you want to add the packages in your favorite, you simply click on this heart icon right here, and you can add these many packages into your favorite. And once you want to see them, you can simply go to your name and click on my package, and those packages are listed here in your favorite. So when you want to remove them, simply click on the icon here, and you will basically remove them from your favorite list. Inshallah, these are how you can choose and customize the packages. If you have, again, any questions, you can simply write them down to the comment section. We'll be inshallah helping you to answer all those questions. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.